I'm super excited. My wife loves me. She got me a GoPro and I'm so excited to use it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I have no clue. I'll probably set it up on something and do something and then do something else and then go over there and do something else and then do some high-speed stuff and run around like an idiot. Yes. Anyways. All right, everybody. So what better way to actually test this camera than to actually just go on a walk and enjoy the day on a nice little run or walk or whatever that we're doing. So we are testing the new 5K 60 FPS feature that this GoPro Hero 10 has. So yeah, let's get started. We're gonna go on a quick little run and we're gonna stop in certain places and kind of look around where we can to see how it looks on the camera. So let's do it. All right, so our first stop is going to be a nice little pier that we have around the area here, so we can go look at some waters and some birdies and some clouds and some piers and some rocks and some stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go over there. All right guys, I got you at my POV. Look, there's my hands. So we are recording, I think 5.3K or 5.2K, I think, at 60 FPS. I do have it on the wide setting. You can go linear with this camera and you can go super wide, I believe, even at the 5K. But yeah, this is actually a like a private pier that I go to sometimes just to kind of relax halfway through my run or you know, just to kind of get a rest. My excuse to rest is I gotta go look at the pier, right? Which is fine. I mean, it's not a problem, I guess. There's deer. Oh my god. Do you think they'll attack me? I don't think you guys can see them from here. Can you see them from here? You can't. It's too far because of the camera's angle or view angle. Oh, let's see if we can sneak up on them. I'm about to get beat up by a deer. But yeah, part of the reason why I wanted one of these wasn't necessarily so I could go skydiving or jumping off a tree or something, you know. It was more like a POV kind of thing, or whenever I'm working on fixing something, or even just vlogging my adventures whenever I have those. Oh, did it go away? Oh, there it is. Can you see it all the way down there? You can't see it all the way down there. It's chilling. I'm gonna walk down there. It's just staring at me. Oh. It's going bye-bye. We're so far away on the GoPro. It was way down there. So there are a lot of deer down here. It's kind of terrible because it's actually a new build. Where, you know, where they build new homes. So when we first got here, there wasn't a lot built and there was a lot of woods and there was so many deer walking around. Now it's harder to see them because they kind of just stay to themselves or something. Huh. I don't really want to disturb the deer. Can you see it on the camera? It is way down there. Let me see if I can get a picture from my phone. Oh, it's about to leave. No, deer. Come on. Maybe I can get a picture with my phone so you guys can see what I'm looking at, but I don't usually where there's one, there's more. I don't want to get it attacked by a mama or something. I don't know how aggressive deer are. And that is because I am not really an outdoorsy person anymore, so. I don't know where it went. It's gone. I was trying to take a picture of it. Oh, we have duck. Oh my god. The water is lower today. Oh, there's like a beach because the water's lower. Oh, that's pretty cool. Tell me, look at that. Trying to get a picture of the goose. I can't get a picture of the ducks or the geese. I've never been here when it was low tide. This is actually pretty sweet. You can see little fishies. Little fishies. What's that? Such a peaceful area. This is going to be a 10-minute video of just walking around. I mean, what better way to actually get to see what the camera can do than just taking it out here and actually doing something with it. Oh, what was that? Oh, it's so low. I feel like I'm gonna drop my phone every time I'm over here. There's so many minnows down there. I don't think y'all can see them on camera, but there's so many minnows. I think they're called minnows. I don't know. Fishies! Fishies, fishies. Alright. Let's go. Is that a boat coming? It's a boat. Let's go on the low tide area. I want to see if we can see any shells or anything. Oh, you might be able to see the little things if I get close enough on the water. Look at that big bird thing. It's what are those things called that eat dead animals? I forgot what they're called. Look, they got a boat. Ooh, they rocking over there. I don't know if I could step on this stuff. Let me see. Oh, it's a little squishy, but it'll be okay. There's another boat. By the way, I completely lost the deer. I don't know where it went. So it'll probably come out of nowhere and just scare the heck out of me. What was that? Oh, that's crazy. All right, let's get you on one of the tripods and see if we can get you close to the water. So I always feel weird about the fact that you can stick these in the water. I'm still not fully convinced because I've never owned one of these, but there's only one way to find out, right? So Let's find some water and get it close by. I don't know. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. Actually, this water's not even clear, so it's not even worth looking at. But let me see if I can get close to like some animals or like some minnows or whatever I was talking about earlier. The waves are coming in because of the boats, so it kind of just disrupted everything. It used to be super peaceful. Now there's just a lot of waves coming in. One thing that I'm noticing is that the camera is hot, like really hot. Oh, what's in there? I don't know what's in there. I don't want to look. So when we started this at we were at 100% battery. We are already at 66%. So it's going by really fast. What is that? It's a battery. It's going by really fast, which I'm not surprised. I mean, it's the resolution and the frame rate is kind of high. Ooh. So it makes sense. Oh my god, I got so much mud on my feet. It's alright. On the run back, it'll go away. Peaceful again. Alright, I think we are gonna head back. I don't want to make this video too long, but I did want to make sure that you can at least see the recording capabilities of it. It's pretty cool. Okay everyone, that's it for this one. Remember the settings were 5.3K resolution at 60 frames per second on cinematic mode. I actually just noticed that it says cinematic on there, so I don't know if that's gonna make a difference, but that's the settings that I was using for this. Oh, and widescreen or wide angle. But yeah, hopefully this helps you out if you ever want to buy one yourself. That way you can at least see like actual footage of the recording, not just me talking about it. I thought it was that deer coming back for me. Oh man. So anyways, I'll see you on the next video, and take care everyone. Take care of yourselves and your friends and family, and bye bye.